brighten my day with your smile and kindness in every way. Through good times and bad, you're always near. In your warm embrace, I feel safe and clear. Thank you, kainabau, Agnes, for your joy and laughter that make life so true. In this journey together, I'm lucky, I know, with you by my side, my heart's full of glow. Kainabau, Agnes. From morning light to stars up above, every moment with you fills my life with love. Through storms and sunshine, we're hand in hand. With you beside me, I'll always stand. Thank you, kainabau, Agnes, for your joy and laughter that make life so true. In this journey together, I'm lucky, I know, with you by my side, my heart's full of glow. Kainabau, Agnes. Here's to our memories, the dreams we will make, to the bond that we share and the joy that won't break. With every heartbeat I sing this sweet song. Thank you for being my support all along. Thank you, kainabau, Agnes, for your joy and laughter that make life so true. In this journey together, I'm lucky, I know, with you by my side, my heart's full of glow. Kainabau, Agnes. You're my shining light. Thank you for being there.